5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ibn Syahmi Muhammad Isri. I am from SMK Datuk Syed Ahmad. This project is titled Eco-Friendly Solar Power Ventilation System with real-time monitoring for cat cage. The system was developed to address the problem of excessive heat and poor air circulation in cat cage, especially when the cage is placed outdoors. The system uses solar energy as the main power source to operate two fans, namely an exhaust fan and a ventilation fan. The exhaust fan removes hot air from the cage, while the ventilation fan draws fresh air into the cage. In addition, an FY12 digital meter is used to monitor temperature and humidity level time. Energy generated from the solar panel is stored in a battery and used when needed. Project results show that the system is able to maintain a comfortable temperature and improve the comfort, safety and well-being for cats. Therefore, this project is suitable for an eco-friendly and sustainable solution for pet care. Thank you. Problem statement. Ventilation in cat cage is often not efficient, causing poor air circulation. Cat cages are placed outdoors can become too hot, especially during the daytime. Most existing ventilation system depend on main electricity, which is not suitable for outdoors use. Current products are not eco-friendly and are not sustainable.
Assalamualaikum and good day respected judges and everyone. My name is Muhammad Syahid Kalish bin Muhammad Syahril from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Datuk Syed Ahmad. I will share the novelty and innovation behind this project. First, the key innovation of this project is the integration of solar technology with an automatic ventilation system for outdoor cat cage. Secondly, this project is eco-friendly because it uses renewable solar energy and does not depend on the main electricity supply. Thirdly, the system is fully solar powered and operate independently. Fourthly, the project introduced real-time smart monitoring of temperature and humidity inside the cages using FY12 digital temperature hygrometer. Finally, the system featured a practical and modular DIY design. It's easy to install and suitable for mass production.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I will demonstrate our project called Eco-Friendly Solar Powered Ventilation System. First, I will explain the equipment used in this project and the function of each component. The solar panel. The solar panel collect this energy from the sunlight and supplies renewable energy to the system. Next, we have solar charger controller. Solar charge controller regulate the voltage from the solar panel to protect the battery from overcharging. Next, 12 volt battery. 12 volt battery keep the energy from the solar panel. When fully charged, the battery can power the system for about 4 to 6 hours. Next, we have exhaust fan. Exhaust fan remove hot air from inside the cage. Next, we have ventilation fan. Ventilation fan bring fresh air from the outside to inside the cage. We also have the temperature sensor. Before we start the system, make sure the wire connect to the right terminal, the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the neutral terminal. As we see here, the fan is still not moving and the ventilation fan is also not moving. So we need to switch on the system to make as we see here, the exhaust fan starts to spinning to remove hot air from the inside the cage. And the ventilation fan start to spinning to bring fresh air from the outside to inside the cage. The hygrometer show the temperature is 39.1 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 43%. And now we need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to see the result before and after. 37.1 with a humidity 43%. 36.3 with 44%. 45%, 5.2 degrees Celsius. 48%, 34.4 degrees Celsius. 53% humidity, 32.0 degree Celsius.
Hello, my name is Arifan Hazi. I am from SMK Datuk Syed Ahmad. This project offers several key advantages. First, it uses renewable solar energy, making the system eco-friendly and independent from the main electricity supply. Next, effective air circulation is achieved through exhaust and ventilation fans, which remove hot air and help maintain a comfortable temperature for cats, especially during daytime. In addition, the system improves cat health by providing fresh air and control the temperature, reducing the risk of heat stress and breathing problem. The project also features real-time monitoring using the FY12 digital temperature and humidity meter. Condition inside the cage can be easily monitored at any time. Finally, this system has high market potential as it is suitable for pet owner seeking innovation, energy efficient and suitable pet care solution. Thank you.